Hey guys, Kris here with a quick minute with Tams Kitchen. Now, in a previous episode, we put 2 potatoes in the microwave for 12 minutes. Well, I kind of had a lapse in judgment on my own time. I put 1 potato in for 12 minutes, and while there was like 1 minute left on it, we have a yeah, it's rock solid. It might even be hollow. There's flames and smoke coming out of it. So I can't even push my fingers through. Oh, hey. Yeah, I don't even want to know what it looks like on the inside. Basically, undigestible. So, safety recommendation, 6 minutes per potato, but check them too. So don't go 12 minutes per potato or you're gonna get that. Alright, this has been a quick minute of Tams Kitchen with Kris Koehler, moi. We got Tams behind the camera. Yeah, because you know this is kind of my moment here.
Yeah, guys, so any more than 2 potatoes, 12 minutes in the microwave bakes them perfectly. But if you're putting 1 in, 6 minutes and check it. If it needs a couple more minutes, by all means. This has been a Tams Kitchen Quick Minute with Kris.